Hello, in this video we will be exploring Manager Practice Area under Moodle MOOC 9. So I have already logged into my account on moodleforteachers.org and I am under the main course area. From here we go to My Courses and we click on Manager Practice Area. Once we get into Manager Practice Area, first thing is to turn editing on. After turning editing on, scroll down, choose a topic. Right now I am under topic 6. Click on edit section, uncheck use default section name, write your name, and then scroll down. You can specify the font color and background color. Let's say I want the font color to be salmon and background color to be light green. Save changes. So here it is. The topic name has changed from the default to my name. Next, we have a few blocks available on the right hand side. Which we can delete. This is one of the few rights that we have as a manager of the course. We can delete the blocks if not required. On the left hand side we have the administration block. This block can be configured as a manager of the course. This block cannot be deleted by a manager, so we just leave it as it is. Again, navigation, this too can only be configured and cannot be deleted. So here we have an option to add a block. Let's see. You click on add. The list for different activities available opens up and we can select any of these to appear as a block. Let's say blog menu. So the blog menu block appears. Similarly, we can add other blocks. Calendar, Exhibit e-portfolio. Next, let's suppose I want to add a block for upcoming events. Here it is. There are no upcoming events. As a manager, we have the right to add an event. So when we click on new event, here we have the details that can be filled in for the event. That is the type of event, event title, and date. These three are the mandatory fields to be filled in. Date is when the event is supposed to take place. Other details are to specify the duration and whether it's going to be a repeated event or not. For time being, we just go back. I do not want to add an event as such. This handle that we see next to the actions option is to move the block. So suppose I want the events block to appear before the Exhibit e-portfolio. So this has been moved from being the last block to somewhere in the middle. Let us see the permissions option under action button. Here we can see manager has the permission to add and edit the blog menu block, whereas authenticated user, guest, student, non-editing teacher, and a teacher can only view a blog. These are certain permissions that have been set up by the Moodle administrator. Similarly, we can delete a blog from clicking on Actions, delete Upcoming Events blog. That is the name of the blog that I want to delete. Are you sure you want to delete this blog? Yes, and it has been deleted. Similarly, as a manager, we can add more blogs or delete the existing ones. So this is it for this video. Thank you very much.